Let's practice the Animal Homes poem. First, we will listen to it and then we will try and say it. Let's go. On top of the mountain or under the sea, there are so many places where creatures may be. Alone in the desert, or grouped on a farm, or tucked in a tree trunk away from all harm. On bright sunny grasslands, or in a dark cave, in jungles and forests where all must be brave. On ice in the Arctic, or holed underground, there are so many places where creatures are found. Now repeat after me. Animal homes. On top of the mountain or under the sea. Now you. There are so many places where creatures may be. Now you. Fantastic! Great job! Let's try and do it all together. 1, 2, 3. Animal homes. On top of the mountain or under the sea. There are so many places where creatures may be. Great job! Let's try with this. Excellent. You can practice, you can play it again and practice as many times as you need, and tomorrow we will practice the last 2 parts of our poem. Bye-bye.